To glue together the turning wheel, you start with the hub and file off any of the ashes and soot that are going to interfere with a proper fit. It's like a rehearsal. Check those swallowtail pieces too, the ones with the notches. Line up the gears, stack the hub together, it's not glued, and check those swallowtail, make sure everything fits nicely against the turning axle. And you're ready to apply the glue. Take it all apart and put a little bit of glue on one face of the hub. Then line it up and put it back on the other, still making sure they're lined up on the axle, and then clamp it. Let the glue dry.